Hi, Namaste. Now we will discuss about DNA molecule, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA acts as a genetic material in almost all eukaryotic cells as well as some of the microorganisms along with some viruses. But except some of the plant viruses, RNA molecule containing these generally act as a genetic material. Generally, some of the plant viruses containing the RNA molecule act as a genetic material. Generally, the DNA molecule act as a genetic material proved by some of these scientists, Avery, McLeod, and McCarty. DNA act as a genetic material proved by Avery, McLeod and McCarty with help of transforming principle. Transforming principle by Griffith. And also DNA act as a genetic material proved by Hershey and Chase. With help of T2 bacteriophage. Help of T2 bacteriophage. DNA molecule act as generally genetic material almost all eukaryotes as well as some of the prokaryotes. The first proved by Avery, McLeod and McCarty act as a genetic material with help of transforming principle proposed by Griffith. And also DNA act as a genetic material unequivocally proved by Hershey and Chase with help of T2 bacteriophage. So DNA molecule also called as a chemical basis of heredity. Chemical basis of heredity. It is also called as a master chemical. And also called as the storehouse of genetic information. Storehouse of information. The next one is occurrence of DNA molecule. Next one, occurrence of DNA molecule. DNA molecule present in almost all eukaryotes, generally present in some of the organelles. This is a eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, and viruses. In eukaryotic cells, DNA molecule present in nucleus. In the form of chromatin. A small DNA molecule also present in nucleolus. Some amount of DNA molecule present in cell organelles like mitochondria, and chloroplast. Generally occurrence of DNA molecule. In eukaryotic cells containing DNA molecule in the form of the chromatin present in the nucleus as well as some of these DNA molecule present at another organelle nucleolus. In cytoplasm of these cells containing two organelles, one is the mitochondria and second one is the chloroplast. Mitochondria also containing a small circular DNA molecule in mitochondria as well as a small circular DNA molecule present in the chloroplast. Whereas in prokaryotic cells, DNA molecule present at one of the region that is called as nucleid. It is called as nucleid. With help of some of non-histone proteins helps for at one of the region adjustment. Some of the viruses also containing DNA molecule act as genetic material. Generally the occurrence in eukaryotic cells present in the nucleus as well as some of the cell organelles. Whereas in prokaryotic cells present at one of the region that is called as a nucleid. Whereas some of these viruses containing the DNA molecule act as a genetic material. Okay. The next one is the length of DNA molecule. Generally the length of DNA molecule depends upon the nucleotides. Just for example, some of these πx174 is a bacteriophage. Containing 5386 nucleotides. So nucleotides considered as single-stranded DNA molecule. Whereas lambda phase containing 48,502 nitrogen base pairs. That means nucleotides base pairs, that means a double-stranded DNA molecule. Whereas in E. coli, bacteria containing 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 nitrogen base pairs. It is also double-stranded DNA. Yes. In human being cells generally haploid in condition 3.3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs, whereas diploid in condition 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs. The length of DNA molecule depends upon the nucleotides. The different type of these organisms, πx174 bacteriophage containing 5386 nucleotides. Nucleotide considered as single-stranded DNA molecule. Whereas πx174 along with the another bacteriophage, lambda phase, it containing 48,502 nitrogen bases, a double-stranded DNA molecule. Whereas E. coli bacteria 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs, generally double-stranded DNA molecule. In human beings, in haploid condition 3.3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs, whereas diploid in condition 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs. That is the length of DNA molecule.